Hello friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. Welcome to the 12-part mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House, the September 2023 version. In this mini-series, I am going to demonstrate 12 projects plus 3, yes, you heard it right, 3 bonus projects that were designed for these attendees. Now, in the past, I had shared the event venue with you, but today I am sharing the faces and excitement of the attendees. We had a really special time together. Lots of laughter, fun, food, and goodies. That's what crafting is all about to me. I had a really amazing team that helped me out too. I am blessed with the best of friends. Thank you guys. So the book that everyone is excitedly showing you is a card design sketchbook called The Card Maker's Companion. The link is below if you want to order one for yourself. They're sold on Amazon. Now, let's get into the projects. Hello friends, welcome to card design number 10 of the Crafting at the Lake House series. Today I am featuring the Sparkling Snowflakes stamp set and a whole lot of colors, and you're gonna see me do some restraint during this video. So I have a pool party cardstock here, and it's regular size, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4, and I am using Night of Navy for this particular sentiment. It says Winter Greetings, and then I'm going in with Tahitian Tide for the largest snowflake. So I probably started this video as I'm editing. I realized how many times I started this. It's probably my 5th attempt, maybe 6th attempt. Because this card requires restraint. Stamping too much makes it busy. So I did 3 Tahitian Tide, and now I am doing 3 Balmy Blue, and then I will go in with Pool Party for the smallest, and you can see there's big, middle, and this is the smallest snowflake. And we need white space. It just doesn't look right if there's less white space. I should have stopped there, right there. But then I added a little bit more and a little bit more. And you can see like I'm trying to make it work. And then I have to restrain, know when to put the stamp down. So I did. I restrained myself. And now I'm going to put it on Balmy Blue cardstock. And again, this is just, you get a little sliver of Balmy Blue on either side of that basic white. Now I'm putting some adhesive down, and then I decided to move into this is incredible stuff. It's the Holistic Specialty Paper. It is so perfect for your holiday cards. You have a couple of different styles, and this one is kind of rainbow. I love it. I feel like the specialty paper doesn't get featured very well in a publication like the catalog, but if you see somebody working with it, you're like, wow, I need that. So I think this is that product. Wow, you may need this. So this is the holographic specialty paper. And so now I've put my little piece here, and you can see now we have a little sliver of Balmy Blue, a little sliver of that holographic paper. Lovely. Trimming off the excess, there's not that much. And then I go in with, you're not going to believe this, but shaker guts. So these are iridescent shaker circles. They're circles. And I don't know, but they called to me when I designed this card. I loved it. So I will put some of the products in the description box below if you're watching this on YouTube, or if you're watching this on my blog, feel free to take a look at some of the products that were used in this card design. So you guys, that is my card share for today. Thank you for doing all the YouTubey things. Thank you for subscribing. thank you for thumbs upping, and thank you even more for commenting. You guys, I love snowflake cards, cannot express my love of them more deeply. I hope you guys give this paper a try and use products that you don't normally use in a different way. All right, that's it for me. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.